May I help you? I said.
You stole Clank, you son of a bitch. Okay, so here's the other new feature about this one. So you got some air-to-air combat, some Star Fox style combat. Now, not really the biggest fan of this, to be honest. I think it's kind of a eh kind of thing, you know. But it's fun to pass the time with. In fact, I think this is probably my least favorite feature that they added. It's just not that enjoyable to me, but that doesn't mean it's bad at all. This is just situation. Oh, I'm getting attacked. Get. There we go. That rare titanium. You want to kind of destroy the ice-looking meteors. They have stuff inside of all of them, so. Get off me. Alright, we're getting hit. I don't like this. Back it up. There we go. 4 left. Come on. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. There you go. Fly in front of me like an idiot. There we go. Oh god. More. Lots more. That one just ran into me. Blow him up. So you can kind of lock on and shoot a missile at him. Very similar to like in the first game where you're doing a little bit of air-to-air stuff. They kind of, you know, expanded on it. Like I said, they made it a little too annoying for my taste. And then when they get behind you, it's very difficult for you to avoid it. And later on, when like the harder ones come along, like it gets a little irritating. I'm not gonna lie, it gets a little frustrating. But I'm not gonna talk shit too much about this game because for the vast majority of it, this game is awesome. It's so much fun.
Enemy
there we go.
Defeated. Proceeding to the Maktar Nebula.
Maktar Nebula, here we are. This is like a big gambling space station. Kill it. Oh, dude, blow his ass up. Oh shit. So we're gonna do, there's 2 parts we can do this. One is actually the arena, so if you remember like where they were like chain blade, stuff like that. You can go over there and do that. We're gonna actually go do the planet version on the side first. That way we can kind of try to level up the weapon a little bit more. Not gonna be able to do too much of it, but I kind of, you know, every little bit counts to me when you're trying to level these weapons up. The more max weapons you can have going into a zone, the better off you are. Oh, goodbye. Give me all them bolts. Okay. We're right off to the left here. Oh. Tractor beam this bad boy out of here. And then tractor beam you over here. You. Such a nice guy. go. Out of my way, I got a bomb. I've got a bomb, out of my way. Ah! 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 Alright, there you go. That should take them all out. Shit. There we go. Oh, Jesus, Inspector Bot scared me. Come here, Inspector Bot. I need you for a minute. Come on. Thank you. You were so cooperative. I need you to stand right over here. I'm gonna launch you like a slingshot. Ugh. Oh, missed. Damn. Alright. That should do it. There we go. Alright, up we go. So these things on the left and right are more like slot machines. And you can play them, I think, like up to like 5 times. Yeah, pretty good success rate on the success rate on winning. Cool. See, I won bolts. Not much, 44. You can win weapons, life, which I'm about to win, which actually I needed. And if you get the TNT, then it's not good and you run away. Oh. There you go. You can kind of see all the options here. Get back. Oh, we need to get the maxed out version of this. So bad. It's so much nicer. Whoop. Huh. 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 Alright, hold on first. Pardon me, man. I'm still congested. I was in Vegas for a week, and ever since I've gotten back to humidity and all this nonsense, I've just been all kinds of messed up. I've been congested ever since. So if I do sniffling and all that nasty stuff, I apologize ahead of time. Really nothing I can do about it. Let's see, line this up. About here ought to do it. Oh, too short. Line it up again. There we go. And oh, to the right. Line it up. Good. That should do it. There we go. Okay, so we can do this first try. Line it up right. Launch it. Hey, look at that. There you go. Oh, fail. You get it this time. Oh, that was another fail. Alright. Third time's the charm. There we go. That'll do it. Okay, destroy all this crap so we can get all these bolts. Need these bolts. There's a very, very nice weapon when we get about 15,000, I believe. It's kind of a shotgun-like weapon. Oh, it's my favorite. Maybe not my favorite in the game, but it's definitely one of the most favorite ones for me to use, and definitely the most effective. All right, let's go. Sabotage the jammer.
To disable the jamming array, destroy the 6 transponders. Expose transmitters with the bolt crank. Press square to attach your wrench, then walk around the platform.
So this is the other thing they've added in this game. They made these little tiny planets. you do missions throughout the game on these little tiny
Map,
planets
press select
that will
or R3.
they're basically like you have them running around. I actually kind of enjoy these. They're a little bit a nice side trip. Get it up, get it up. And I like the work. Gotta remember, this is a PS2 game, so it's really cool to me they were able to design a planet like this. It's circular, and it's a cool level design. Remember, this game was made in 2003. It started development about, I think, 2001 or 2. It's a 13, 14-year-old game. So that in its own right is impressive. It's very, very impressive, because this game still looks pretty good. It still holds up pretty well. Okay, we need to get... Oh, there's one up there, so we'll go over this way. Let's use the gravity bomb. Well, that was effective. Jeez. Boom. Alright, another one down. Let's not jump in the fire pit, that would be bad. Whee! Oh, shit. Let's try that again. Back it up, people. Back it up. Jesus! Gravity bomb is great. This is why you gotta level it up. This is what drives me crazy. There we go. Okay, wait, we got 2 more after this one? I believe so. Is there one over there? Good thing you don't take fall damage. Alright, we got that one. Follow these little power lines, probably will lead me to nevermind. We got that one. Alright, there's one over this way, I see it. There's gotta be a way to get up here somehow. Yeah, there's the... That's it. Did we already do this one? I don't know if we did or not. I don't think this is the same one. No, this is it? Yeah, oh yeah, we did do this one. Shit. Alright. I'm getting lost. Then because we jumped up there. Let's go back this way. Here we go. Here's one. Kill him! Whee! Let's land on the side so we don't get ambushed by these guys. Okay. Ah, there we go. Easy peasy. I gotta stop saying that. That's such a... I'm bringing out my age by saying that. There we go. Alright, one more. Let's look around so we can find it. Okay, it's definitely on those platforms there because there's still enemies. So, that's got to be the way we got to go. Is there a jump around here? There we go. Yeah, this is it. Damn. Get out of here. We're just gonna use the gravity bomb. Take care of these guys super easy. Come, what? What the man, come on. Alright. We land somewhere. What the fuck is going on with the gravity bomb? There we go. Hell. Here we go. Last one. Alright, let's get out of here.
Good work, my boy. You are proving to be invaluable in this underwear. Anywho, it appears the thief is now under the protection of thugs for less. But I may have found a way for you to insinuate their operation.
Is it dangerous?
No. Well, actually, yes, it is.
Good.
Take a look at this.
The wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, the bugs in your teeth. We are the Desert Riders.
Before I became a desert rider, I didn't fit in anywheres. I had low self-esteem, bad breath, and a thing for ladies' undergarments. But these guys understand me. They really do.
Yeah, I'm just here for the bake sales. Oh yeah, I also make these cute gloves for all the guys.
So if you've got what it takes, use this temporary membership to enter the most grueling hoverbike race in the galaxy. Win it and become one of us. Desert Riders, the #1 leisure choice of thugs for less.
Desert riders all use Megacorp bikes, so I just had to pull a few strings. Contract me as soon as you get more indignation. Fizzwidget, out.
Alright, back on the plane.